Hi children, how are you all? Today's topic EVS or nation. Let us start a lesson. Please listen.
India. India became independent from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. Capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of our country. New Delhi is our country. India has large population. People in India follow different religions. Different religions. People from different religions from the country speak different languages like Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Kannada, Odisha, Bengali, Malayalam, and many more languages. There are many mountains and rivers in India. The Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range in India. Have you understood, children? There are many mountains. The next one, India is a vast country and is rich in forest, which provide home to different kinds of animals. States and union territories. India is divided into many states and union territories which are governed by the central government. India is one big nation and is known for its unity in diversity. Children, have you understood? National symbols, national flag. Our national flag is called a three-color flag as there are three colors in it. Have you understood? Saffron, orange at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. There is a navy blue wheel called Dharmachakra at the center of the middle white band. Saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. Saffron color signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies purity and green color signifies prosperity. White, the Dharma Chakra, signifies justice. National flag is seen on all the important government buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of the President of India, and Sansad Bhavan, Parliament House in New Delhi. Our national flag is the hoisted on Independence Day and Republic Day. After the flag is hoisted, we salute our flag and sing our national anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Sing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. The second one, national anthem. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. As national anthem is written in Bengali language. What language is written in Bengali language? We must respect our national anthem and stand in attention position when it is sung. Have you understood, children? We must respect our national anthem and stand in attention position when it is sung. National emblem. Our national emblem has four lines standing back to back facing our four directions. A national emblem has four lines standing. The emblem is adopted. Adopted means taken from the Asoka pillar in Sarnath, a famous city near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Have you understood? The next one, national holidays. Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are the three national holidays. What are they? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day in 1950, we got our basic laws. Every year, a grand parade is held on 26th January in Rajpath, New Delhi. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year as the country became independent from the British rule on this day is 1947. Remember children, 1947. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The next one, the father of our nation, it is the celebrated on 22nd October. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, the father of our nation. The next one, fifth, national animal. Okay, tiger. The next one, national bird, peacock. National bird, peacock. Okay, national flower, lotus. National flower, lotus. The another one, national fruit, mango. Do you like mango, children? In our national fruit also, mango. National tree, banyan tree. National tree, banyan tree. The next one. It is a feeling of love and respect of one's country. Patriotism, it is a feeling of love and respect for one's country. We must have a great patriotic. There are many places of worship, different religions like temples, mosques, churches and gurudwaras. Okay, there are many places are there in our country. Children, have you understood today's topic or nation? Okay, we will see the next class. Thank you for your listening, kids.